Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neil, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by the Metroids from Metroid. Again, I said it before when my two other Metroid videos. I love the Metroid series, and I think it's time we pay homage to the named, like the where the name comes from. Like, yeah, I gotta pay homage to the Metroids. I actually really like how this turned out. Um, and I really love it. So if you want to see how I create this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my brows and prime and set my lids using Brûlée by Wet n Wild, this gorgeous little single. Okay, so for the Metroid, I'm going to be taking a combination of New Wave and Edge and Dawn to just go right above my crease. Taking Destiny, I'm going to run that just under where we put those two. Okay, now I'm going to be taking Untamed and really focusing that on the outer third and into the crease. Real quickly, I'm going to blend using my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. Now I'm going to lightly take Axis and focus that mainly on the outer third. Taking the Sephora Collection brush, I'm just going to blend again. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade right here, All Star, which is a red, and pop that all on the rest of this blank space of the lid. Now I'm going to take that Sephora Collection brush again and just blend out into the crease. Okay, so I'm really loving how this looks. I'm gonna go take care of everything else off camera and I'll be right back. But we're gonna move back to the eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade that I used on the outer third, Axis, and run that mostly along the lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade All Star, which is that red, and pop that along the right there. Now to blend those out, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Destiny and Dawn. For the inner corner highlight, I'll be taking the shade Electric, which is the shade right here. For the waterline, I'll be taking my Sephora Collection Contour Crayon in the shade Good Mood. For Lash Mascara, Lash Renegade. Actually, because they're so dark, I'm not going to add lower lash mascara. And now we're going to move on to the lips. Before I go in with my lipstick, oops, let me brush that off. Before I go in with lipstick, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the shade, what's the shade name? Red the Scene. So for lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Studded Lip Kiss in the shade Adora, which is this gorgeous metallic red. And if you know me, I don't really use cream lipsticks or like actual lipsticks, but this one, I've been eyeing it since they came out. It is a stunning metallic, and you're going to see what I mean by metallic. So it smells like vanilla, but there's like this taste that whenever you put it on, you just kind of have like this subtle taste to it, and it tastes kind of like Fruit Loops, which I don't have a problem with. So I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I'm living for this, honestly, especially this red lip. I love reds, and I haven't worn like a red in a while. So to have a metallic red on my lips, I'm just like, I'm home. Anyway, I actually had a lot of fun creating this look. My hair's trying to stick up. And okay, so if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. And welcome to Alien Week. I had a lot of fun with this, and I can't wait for you to see what's coming up later this week. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.